Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel that is Tech. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. So our today's video is going to be very important because we are going to discuss four of the most important topics in the IT sector right now. And this is going to be important for all the IT individuals who are working in the corporate sector, who are freshers or even who are experienced candidates. So without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that we will be discussing is regarding the Microsoft voluntary exit, or we can call it as layoffs. We will then discuss about why companies are laying off employees, why they want the lower headcount, why they're cutting down the jobs, and we will also discuss what is the reason, the exact reason behind this. Is it because of the AI data centers and the heavy investment that is required in these data centers? So, without wasting any more time, let us move forward. The number one thing that I wanted to ask you all is, guys, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel if you have already not done that, because it gives us a lot of motivation to make more such informative videos and do a lot of research to answer all your questions that you are asking in the comment section. So guys, please consider subscribing. Okay, the number one point that I wanted to highlight, okay, is that now companies, they are looking forward to collect as much money as they can for the AI data centers, and if that requires laying off the employees and reducing the headcount, so that, let me explain it in this words. Okay, if you go to a manufacturing company, if you go to Apple, right, they have to invest a lot of money on research and design, right, of the iPhone or the Macs. They have to spend a lot of money on procuring the material that is required to create that phone. There can be different components, batteries, and a lot of things, and in this process there is a lot of investment that is required on manufacturing, on research, and on like getting and sourcing the parts and then holding the inventory and then providing it to different distributors in different countries. So this is a big process. Whereas if you look at any IT company like Meta or Microsoft, they have their software products, which means that the only main major cost they have to give is the infrastructure cost, that is for the clouds and other operations. And these companies are having their own cloud providers, right? Like AWS is having Amazon, like Amazon. Then you have Meta, they're having their own cloud. They are using some other clouds also. If you look at Microsoft, they have Microsoft Azure, and all these big software companies, they are having their own cloud providers. So infrastructure and other things they will be able to manage on their own. And the second thing that they require is the right talent, the skilled employees, the developers, the software developers, DevOps engineers, and infrastructure and other people, right? So the major cost is of people. The major cost that you have to pay is for the employees who are working in that company, and that is the reason the manufacturing business or some other business, they are like they're inventory heavy or they are cash heavy. But if you look at like companies like IT companies, they are not very like they do not require a lot of investment. They only require employees, and you have to pay for the employees. That is a major cash churning factor, and that is the reason why these big companies, what they want to achieve is that they want to reduce the headcount so that they don't have to pay a lot of money to the employees. Instead, they want to invest that money into the data centers, and that is the only reason why these big companies, including TCS, wants to lay off the employees. They want non-productive employees to go away from the company. They want high-paid employees who are having less experience and more packages to be removed from the company, so that they can use that money to invest in their data centers. Now, you might already remember, right? K. Kritivasan, who is the CEO of TCS. Then again, Mr. Parekh, who is basically the CEO of Infosys, they clearly mentioned that they want to double down on AI. And what it simply means is that they want to invest more on the AI led infrastructure. And TCS has already promised $1 billion for this particular data centers here in India. And that is the reason why it looks like a good option for the company, not for the employees. It looks for a convenient option for the company to fire or lay off employees just to raise more and more funds, and they can use their profits to invest into the data centers. Now, the next important thing that is the highlight of this particular week, that is Microsoft voluntary exit. And let me tell you guys, right? One company recently mentioned, right? This is trending right now. That is Meta, which is the parent company of Facebook or Instagram. You can call it that, right? This company, Meta, has mentioned that they are laying off around 8,000 of their employees. Okay, here you might have already seen, right? 9,000 job cuts is done at Microsoft, whereas at Meta, you will see that around 8,000 employees, almost 9 to 10% of their global workforce is going to be cut down. Why? Because they want to invest in AI. Okay, not only data centers but also into AI, LMs, and other things also. Okay, now next thing is coming from TCS and Microsoft, wherein Microsoft is providing voluntary exit. okay, in the form of that is like turned around as layoffs. So they want people to exit the company voluntarily, and they will be providing them a severance package. So they will be getting some kind of money, they will be getting some kind of maybe some stock options also from Microsoft side, so that the employee leaves peacefully the company. Now, why cannot they directly lay off the employees? Because as you already know, Microsoft is a very big product-based company, and in US the norms are very strict. Okay, definitely, IT the norms are not that strict, but yes, in US or in UK or in Europe, the norms are a little bit like stringent. So you cannot like unconventionally lay off the employees because of any like random reason. You have to provide a proper justification also. The employees who were laid off, they can go to the court also for that matter if there is an unjustful layoff that has happened. And let me tell you guys, in the last year 2025, Microsoft have laid off almost 9,000 of their global employees. Okay, recently Oracle also laid off employees. Why? Because they also wanted to invest heavily on the AI part. That they wanted to invest more heavily on the data centers part. Okay, now they had already laid off around 9,000 employees. Okay, last year, and now they are providing the voluntary exit to the employees so that they can leave the company, and the management will then provide them some severance thing, and they will be able to coming in the coming years they will be able to invest more on the AI part. Next thing is again TCS. Now this makes me wonder whether this was the original plan of the TCS management. They basically wanted to remove the employees. Now they have promised that they have laid off only 2% of their global employees. That is 6 lakh people, around 6 lakh people. Okay, 2% only they have laid off. But somewhere around that particular, if you look at that particular number, it is around 7 to 10%. So TCS might have almost lay off their 7 to 10% of their employees in the last year. Okay, that is 2% of their global workforce. And now Microsoft is again, sorry, this was regarding the Microsoft company. This is what they are going to do. They are going to lay off around 7% of their employees globally at Microsoft. And at TCS they are mentioning that they have only laid off 2%, but I think the number is between 7 to 10% employees, okay, that they have laid off. So do let us know in the comment section, do you think that this is the master stroke or this is a bad move by the IT companies in India like TCS, Infosys, laying off employees just to make more profits, or I would say just to invest that profit into the data centers or into the AI building? Do let us know in the comment section, okay guys. And with this I would like to end today's video. If you feel that this video was helpful, if you have any views that are opposite to what we have shared, then please let us know in the comment section. If you are against also the views that we shared, then please let us know in the comment section. And if you are aligned with the views, then also let us know what are your thoughts on this particular point. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Jai Hind and Vande Mataram.